Hi, welcome to my channel. Crush strawberries. Use detergent and salt mix to break the cell wall so that DNA will be released into the solution. Now sieve and transfer the solution into clean jar. Add alcohol slowly to solution. When alcohol is poured slowly over the top of the solution, DNA will rise to the surface. Because strawberries have multiple copies of DNA, the extraction is simple and works every time. Students can spool the DNA with a stirring rod or a toothpick. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.